Deborah, we see you in many different guises, but it's all around something good for us.
Oh, absolutely. Holistic therapies, non-intrusive therapies. I like us to look after our bodies in the most natural way possible.
This is a brilliant product. Now, yes, you look in the high streets, you'll find a more affordable product. You'll find some sort of ionizer, or you'll find some sort of air purifier. You perhaps pay half that price. However, 432 is 464. This is really the Intelligent Air large standing purifier with a HEPA filter and UK lamp. We'll talk about all these facets in a few moments, but $224.50 will be the QVC price. At the moment, it's brand new today at the introductory price. Do you get what you pay for when it comes to this sort of product?
Absolutely. I mean, I've spent years having ionizers and plug-ins all over the house.
I think we all have, haven't we?
And I've been a huge fan, and it's made a great difference to me and my family. But this is the creme de la creme of air purifiers. It's intelligent. It senses the pollutants in the air. It reacts accordingly. It's affordable. It actually can clean a room up to 650 square feet. It uses 80 watts of electricity, which can cost around £10 per year.
£10 per year?
A year, if you have it running full blast every day.
And only £10 a year?
A year, yes, that's right.
That's incredible.
I know, it's a fantastic value when you think about the 7 technologies that you've got incorporated in here, and we'll go into that in a second, but 7 tried and tested technologies which have been researched through the years, which give you the optimum air purification system.
Tell me about the front, because as soon as I looked at the front, I thought, oh, is it all technical? Then I realised how intuitive it was.
Absolutely. I mean, we've got to think about why do we need this? We live in such a polluted environment these days. We work in offices, we've got air-conditioned buildings, and basically what this is telling you is how polluted your room is. You've got an iron indicator, and we'll explain that in a minute.
Yes.
You've got a clean monitor, which tells you how dirty the air in your environment is. Yep. And when you think about the air inside, is up to 10 times as dirty as the air outside on occasion, and we spend 75% of our time indoors these days. You've got a flow button, so you can actually change the settings. We can put it on auto, and then it determines how fast the fan works and how much it cleans the air by the pollutants in the air. It's intelligent.
So we don't need to know how much pollutants we have in the air.
No.
But I put it onto intelligent. Well, talk us through the videotape. Maybe that will explain a little bit more. What are we seeing now there, Deborah?
OK, well, basically, this is the ultra-quiet NaturoPure multi-tech air purifier. It's designed for ease of use and maximum cleaning power. It's got smart sensor technology and a 7-stage purification process, which is using multi-layer filters, so there are 7 different filters in there. These smart sensors, basically, they let you know when there are excess air pollutants in the air, and they can automatically adjust the cleaning settings for optimised performance indicators, also to tell you how it works and when it needs to work. So you have got the optimum system here working in 7 different ways. OK, what we've got inside, and I'll talk about more why we need this.
Technical bit.
Yep, OK. We have got 7 filters. Firstly, we've got a pre-filter. This is inside here, very easy to use. You don't have to take this apart and clean it until the machine tells you to.
Can it be clean?
You can wash this, wipe it clean, it collects the large particles.
Make sure it's dry before it goes back. That goes for any purifier, not
just wipe it with a duster or clean cloth. Then you've got the Electrostatically-Charged magnetic plasma screen here, and this collects the smaller particles, all that bacteria, horrible dust and pet dander floating around in the air that we're breathing in, that our lungs and our nose have to ordinarily filter. That's your second phase. Then you have got the activated carbon filter, OK? This helps to get rid of all those nasty nifs. If you've got a smelly dog or a trash can, all those gases in the air, very similar to the one you have above your hob in the oven, you know, which you have to change occasionally. You can hear that. And this incorporates the HEPA filter, which has actually been proven to be 99.97 effective of getting rid of all those nasty pollutants in the air.
Pretty effective.
Yeah, that's amazing. It's got a
exchangeable
honeycomb system here. Yeah, you probably don't need to change this for 2 years, but again, the machine will tell you when to change it.
How much would that cost us off the bat?
We'll have to check with the suppliers on that one, but you won't need to do that for 2 years.
Perfect.
Okay. And then here you have the this amazing last filter here. It's the photocatalytic oxidation filter.
How did you remember all this?
Now you just got to think the environment we're living in. You've got carbon monoxide fumes. You've got all those dust particles. We don't live near Niagara. We don't live near a rainforest. We don't live by the sea.
Sadly.
And I mean, you know yourself, when you're down there, you feel fantastic. You're breathing in fresh, clean air. You come back to this environment and suddenly you feel cloggy and sniffy and itchy and uncomfortable. And our bodies are working overtime to try and clean our air. This is doing it all for you. It's quiet, and I've got where's my balloon here? I'm just going to show you when we've got it on a powerful setting how effective the fan is. So let's just turn this up here. This is showing the strength of the airflow. It's taking the air in down the sides, and the fan is bringing it out. So you've got a 180-degree intake of air. So you can put it behind your sofa, you can put it out of the way if you want to, or you can have it on show because it's quite a nice looking piece of
equipment. And this is fresh air coming out?
Yeah, this is purified fresh air which has been filtered by 7 different researched processes. It's just the confidence, isn't it? Nurseries, old people's homes, your office, even when you go away, staying anywhere that's got electricity that you're worried about having clean air.
But in a domestic setup, this is the main room.
Yes.
Wouldn't this be I know not everybody would be able to afford this, but to have something like this in your bedroom?
Oh, I know. I mean, worrying about the children and elderly parents. And really, we've got fax machines, we've got photocopiers, we've got carbon monoxide fumes coming from outside. This is cleaning all of them. It's absolutely amazing how it works, and it gives me confidence. I feel really comfortable in my home now. And you'll only see when you take these filters out and clean them how much black muck has been collected.
When you had this at your home, as a last point, when you had this in your home, did you see the difference? Did you feel the difference?
Yeah, absolutely. It's not one of those that gathers black around the wall. It's taking it all inside, and all that purified air is coming out.
For the moment,
so much
Deborah,
more to talk about.
There is so much, but unfortunately we haven't got any time to talk any more about this. It's a shame. So 432-464, the item number. It's the Intelligent Air Large Standing Purifier with a HEPA filter and the UK lamp. 204, the introductory price. Shall we remind